Basic greetings, simple and common. Hello, hi, hey, hi there, hey there. Time based greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, morning. Friendly, informal greetings. What's up? What's going on? How's it going? How are things? How's life? Formal, professional greetings. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Good to see you. I hope you're doing well. Greetings with questions. How are you? How have you been? How's everything? How's your day going? How's work or study? Excited greetings. Long time no see. Nice to see you again. Look who it is. Fancy seeing you here. Well, hello there. Friendly greetings. Hello, my friend. Hi, buddy. Hi, dear. Greetings. Welcome. Global or cultural greetings. Namaste. Salaam. Sat Sri Akal. Vanakkam. Bonjour. Greetings on phone or online. Hello, who is speaking? Hi, can you hear me? Glad to connect with you. Thanks for calling. Glad to hear from you. Greetings without words. A wave, a smile, a nod of the head, a handshake, a hug. Subscribe for more.